So we know that eye contact is very, very important in communication and excellent relationships. It's really how we connect with other people. And a big question that we get in our classes is, how do you make eye contact on WebEx? And this is how most people do it. Watch, Janet's going to deliver a message. She wants to be in charge of a project to integrate 2 departments, and she's asking her boss. She does have the camera positioned correctly, but watch her eye contact, because she's not going to be doing it right the first time she does it.
Oh, well, as we both know, there's going to be a big merger between these 2 teams, and that's going to take a lot of work to integrate the 2 teams. And I'm hoping that I could be considered to be the manager of that integration.
Very good. So what you're seeing is, number 1, she's looking at the picture in the corner of her boss, and number 2, she's looking all over the place. So the right way to make eye contact is with the camera, because when you look at the camera, that's where the person is going to feel like you're really looking at them. So you want to put you want to look at the camera and direct your communication to the camera. So Janet, go ahead and do that and see the difference between the first way she did it and when she's looking at the camera.
So we both know there's a big merger coming up between the 2 teams, and that's going to take a lot of work to integrate those 2 teams. And I would really love to be considered as the manager of that integration.
Very good. So you can see, if you want to make eye contact, look at the camera.